So we just got our first real-world look at the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide in hand, and it looks nothing like any Galaxy Foldable before it. Samsung insider Sonny Dixon just posted a video on X showing a dummy unit, and even in rough form, the design direction is clear. This thing folds like a passport, and that changes everything. So Sonny Dixon was clear. This is a rough dummy, not a final device. It's just showing the design direction Samsung is heading in. But even at this stage, the form factor is unmistakable. Folded? The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide has a compact passport-style feel, wider and shorter than the traditional tall foldables we're used to. Unfolded, it opens into a mini tablet with a screen ratio that makes it genuinely practical for gaming, videography, and streaming content. And Samsung has reportedly finalized how it's naming all of this. The wide format phone, what was being called the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, will launch simply as the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Meanwhile, the traditional vertical foldable, what you previously knew as the Fold 8, gets bumped up to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. That Ultra tag comes with a price increase, too. Reports say the Fold 8 Ultra will cost more than its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also worth flagging, the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is rumored to be the last of its kind. If that's accurate, Samsung is seriously doubling down on the wide foldable direction and stepping away from the clamshell form factor entirely. Now, don't expect the wide Fold 8 to be Samsung's main focus this launch. Earlier reports indicate Samsung is still treating the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Fold 8 Ultra as the hero products. The wide model is coming, but Samsung is limiting its production volume to gauge how the market responds. It's a real product, but it's essentially a test run. Here's the other massive story buried in these leaks. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra are said to bring major display crease improvements, potentially matching the Oppo Find N6, which launched earlier this year in March and was widely praised for how well it handled crease reduction. Tipster Ice Universe says Samsung should actually go beyond what Oppo achieved. To be clear, completely eliminating the crease on a foldable OLED is practically impossible. The OLED panel degrades over time, and the fold will always leave some mark. But Chinese manufacturers have been pulling ahead on this for years, and Samsung has been catching heat for it. If these leaks are accurate, this year's Fold 8 lineup could be finally the real answer to that criticism. Samsung is expected to host Galaxy Unpacked 2026 on July 22nd in London. That's your date to watch. So, to wrap it, Sonny Dixon just gave us our first hands-on look at the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide in dummy form. Passport-style design, wider screen ratio, unfolds into a mini tablet. It launches as the Galaxy Z Fold 8. The traditional foldable becomes the 8 Ultra at a higher price. Flip 8 might be the last clamshell. Crease improvements incoming for both Fold 8 phones. And Unpacked 2026 is reported July 22nd in London. Are you feeling the wide foldable direction, or do you want Samsung to stick to what it knows? Drop it below. Subscribe for every leak as it drops, and I'll see you in the next one.